Here in example 3, it tells you there's not going to be a solution, but we can still solve the equation. You'll just see that when we are done, when we actually plug in our answer, it's not going to work for us. So first thing I see is there's a variable in the denominator, and I want to get that variable out of the denominator. So I'm going to multiply all three terms, and you can see there are three terms here. There's one term, a second term, and a third term. We are going to multiply all three terms by an x minus 2. Now, since these are fractions, if you want to look at this x minus 2 as a fraction, these all have 1s on the bottom. So this x minus 2 is only going in the numerator. What's going in the denominator is this 1. And since we're doing it to both sides of an equation, that keeps the equation balanced. So then I'm going to cancel the x minus 2. Those cancel out, which leaves you with 3x. Here, 1 times x minus 2 is just x minus 2. Nothing's going to cancel there. Here in this fraction, this x minus 2 cancels, so it just leaves a 6. And there we've gotten the x minus 2 out of the denominator. Now we're going to solve for this remaining x. So we're going to get this x to the other side. And this gives us 2x equals negative 2 plus 6, which is 4. And then divide both sides by this 2 so that you can isolate your x. Now normally we would stop there and say that x equals 2 is our solution. But if you plug in 2, you're going to get 0 in a denominator. And you can never divide anything by 0. So that would make the function undefined, which means this has no solution. No solution.